Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get the most out of your workout at the gym. This is very beginner friendly and easy to follow along. I will also be showing you a post-workout meal that I made today that always keeps me full and replenishes my muscles after a workout. So before going to the gym, I like to have a light pre-breakfast so I have something to burn off. So I'll either have peanut butter toast or a protein shake to start my morning. I start all my workouts by stretching, which helps decrease tissue tension and can improve range of motion as well as increasing speed and flexibility. Then I would get on the treadmill for 5 minutes. And so after stretching and a quick walk on the treadmill, I start with the glute activation workout to wake up my muscles, then get started on my workout routine. So as I am demonstrating here, I am putting on a BFR band, which stands for blood flow restriction, and it reduces oxygen supply to the muscles in order to pre-fatigue slow twitch muscle fibers and diminish their response to workout loads, but to enable fast twitch muscle fibers to respond quickly to exercise training loads, resulting in faster lean muscle growth. It's recommended that you always stay at the 7 mark, which I'm showing here. The first machine I like to start out with is the calf machine. So this machine is simple and easy to use. You would just adjust the seat to your desired position and press your feet down on the pedals, kind of like riding a bike. Next, I like to go to the hip abductor machine, which is great for targeting small muscles. And to use this machine, you would adjust the lever to your desired resistance. Following that, I like to target quads on the leg press machine. This machine is similar to the calf machine because all you would need to do is adjust the seat to your desired position, then move the needle to your desired weight and get started. This is a quick workout that you could do before a class or before you have other engagements that you need to attend to. I usually spend a little bit more time at the gym, but because I had a 9 a.m. class today, it was a little bit shorter than I normally do, but it was still effective. After my workout, I go home and eat a real breakfast. I know what you're thinking, breakfast again, but yes, it's very important that you replenish your muscles after working out and get them back to their primal shape so that way you can see the desired results that you want. So the food tracking app that I like to use is called LifeSum, and LifeSum helps you track your food and your exercise to live a healthier life and reach your fitness goals. You add your personal data such as your weight, your height, caloric intake, so the app can help you to calculate the calories depending on what your goals are. And then it sets a distribution between carbs, proteins, and fats. So I used to use MyFitnessPal previously, but I kind of like LifeSum a little bit more because I feel like it's more specific. They also help you to track your water intake, which is great. Now onto Emily's self-care routine.
Hey everyone, it's Emily here, and I'm here to talk to you all today about home workouts. Now, I know gyms are opening back up, which is great. However, they are only open at partial capacity. So if you want to avoid overcrowded gyms, home workouts are still a great way to get your exercises in for the week. A major disadvantage to working out at home is the limited access to equipment. However, if you do have any exercise equipment at home, dumbbells are great for them. If you have resistance bands and you're not really ready to add, heavy weight yet, these are also really great to still make the workouts challenging. If you don't have any equipment like weights or resistance, you can just use body weight for some exercises. However, if you do want to challenge yourself, a hack I have for replacing weights is actually taking a book bag and filling it up with heavy books. Okay, definitely grab your water before you start any exercises and start stretching. Stretching is a great way to get a warm up as well as prevent any injuries or from pulling any muscles. I highly recommend listening to some great music while you stretch to get you motivated and pumped for your workout. Also, some emotional support from a furry friend is highly recommended. Okay, so for this exercise, you want to stand shoulder width apart. And then you want to tuck in your abs. This is just going to help support your balance as well as support your back. Now you want to grab your dumbbells and literally just roll your arms up into your armpits. This is called a bent over row. This is an upper body workout which is going to work the lat muscles in your back as well as your biceps just slightly. If you don't have any dumbbells, this is a great time to grab that backpack with heavy books and just perform the same movement. Okay, next we just have your basic good old squats. Squats are a great leg workout to do at home or even the gym. They're great for working your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings. If you want to add a resistance band to make it more challenging, that's even better. You basically just want to lower your body down into the squat, almost as if you're taking a seated position, just so you work the proper muscles. If you want to make it even more challenging, you can add dumbbells. However, of course, if you don't have dumbbells, I'm also going to show you guys again the book bag hack. Just fill that bag with some heavy books and get to squatting. Now on to Talani's self-care routine.
Hi, my name is Talani Badru, and this is how I self-care. First, I start my day with chugging a bottle of water, and then go into deep breathing for about 3 minutes. After, I like to journal, just to keep track of my thoughts, keep track of previous night's dreams to see if I can make them into a film maybe, because I be having some juicy dreams, can't lie. I also like to write down some of my to-dos for the day. This is all just gonna keep me centered and focused. When it comes to hobbies, I believe it's important to have different skills and hobbies that you cultivate constantly just to keep you engaged and kind of happy and centered, I feel. For me personally, one hobby I like to do is DJing. Some of the items that I use for DJing is a Mac computer. My controller is a Pioneer DJ DD3 SB3. I also use plug-in headphones and Serato software to where I import all my music. So today I would love to show you guys a little how-to with doing nails. This is something I started over the quarantine and I absolutely fell in love with. We're gonna start with the supplies that you're gonna need. After that, your step 2 will be to clean and buff the natural nails. Here I have my Susie Melody nail buffer. This helps with taking oil off of the natural oils off your nail bed, and that's gonna help with long-lasting nails that won't come up prematurely. After step 2 is gonna be step 3, where you apply your tips. I forgot to mention, after step 1, getting all your supplies, you should clean your nails. That's very important. So step 3 is just applying your tips. After step 3, you should cut your nails to the length that you want, desired length that you want. And then step 4 is going to be choose a color and to apply the color. I was having a difficult time choosing between blue and this very bright neon yellow. I'm very much a blue girl. That's like my go-to, and I want to step out of the box. So today I chose to do the neon yellow. I ended up absolutely loving it. I'm so happy with the choice.